Where's the o'clock? This one. Where's the... Maya's birthday! Dali, look at the Maya's birthday. Where is Maya's birthday? Where is Maya's birthday? It's March.
Daddy's birthday.
Daddy's birthday. It's October.
Birthday.
November. Go to the zebra. Maya, go to the zebra. Okay. Again, count the number. Count the number here. Here are the numbers. Here are the numbers. Count. Can you count the numbers? Dali, can you count the numbers? Count the numbers.
No.
Ay, dali na. Oh, let's look at the cow and the chicken. Cow and the...
Baby, you're the boss at home. You don't gotta go to work, but you gotta put in work.
Very good, baby. Tracing marker. Look kay Mami. Bayan. Smile. One more. Smile mo. Smile. Smile mo kay Mami. Smile. Smile kay Mami.
It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss it on a holiday, but I can't stop staring at your face. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. With you, shawty, with you, with you, shawty, with you, with you, under the...
Smile. What fruits is that? What is the color of apple? Green yung lips, and then is for what? Again, color. Okay. Ayos mo. Color cover. healthy foods yan. What is the healthy foods? You circle all. O ano pa ang healthy foods? I-circle mo pa. Oh! Is that a healthy? Yung healthy foods lang. Oh, French fries healthy na. Yan tayo eh. Eto, avocado. Uy. What's that? Avocado ang healthy foods. Yan tayo, magtatalo pala tayo dito sa healthy foods kasi alam niyang kainin ng mga yon. Oh. Another healthy foods. Ano pa yung healthy? Healthy ba si pizza? Merienda? Junk foods nga yan eh. Naku, dyan tayo. O, ato, si broccoli. Kasi ano siya, para iwas sakit. Wawa daw yung donut. Ang healthy foods. Naku, healthy daw sa kanya si donut. Mahabang explanation to. Si corn lang. Lahat ng healthy foods. Yung ano, para maging malakas ang isang bata. O again, what is the healthy foods? Ito, carrots, apple, avocado. What's this? Bro? And what's this? Broccoli. Si donut kasi, pag kinain mo si donut, ouchie-ouchie yung lalamunan mo. O, anong mangyayari sa lalamunan mo pag nagkain ka ng ice cream? Ng sweets? Ouchie-ouchie.
Strawberry lang to yun.
Nakakatwirang na siya, baby. Hindi daw healthy. Hindi healthy si pizza. Dapat minsan ka lang kakain yan. Ang healthy yung vegetable and... Oo. Again, dito tayo. Again, sige, nag-turn na ng page. Yung healthy foods lang, ha? You circle all the healthy foods for you. Okay. Again. Oh, bawal yung matatamis. Bawal yung sweet.
Strawberry to eat.
Oh, ay, okay. Strawberry yan. Sige. Again. You circle all the healthy foods na lang. Dali. Yung pwede kay Marian. Yan. Another healthy foods. Wow, what is that? Kalabasa, squash. Again. Another healthy foods for Marian.
Never had it.
Oh, what is that? Kiwi. Another healthy foods for Marian. No, that's a crackers. That's not healthy foods. Snacks lang yun eh. What is that? Ano yan? What is that? Another healthy foods here sa taas. Ano yung healthy foods? No, that's a burger. Ano to? Ba? Oh, healthy foods?
Banana.
Okay. Oh, okay na yan sa healthy foods. Ito, hindi to healthy foods. Merienda. Pwede din siya, pero hindi siya healthy foods. Popcorn. Ano yan? Junk foods. Oh, hindi pwede siya. Hindi siya healthy foods. Hindi siya healthy foods. Oh, okay na yan. I-open. I-open na. At mag-answer ka na. You answer all of that. Crocodile is living things. Encircle mo. Very good. Encircle. Yan. Workbook ni Marian. Very good. Oh, plant or animals? Oh, you circle the plants. Oh, wow. Is that a plants? Oh, another plants. You circle it. Oh, where is another plants? Yan. Oh, you circle it. Circle. Very good. You circle it like this. You're busy ba? Oh, you circle the plants. You circle the plant. Yeah, very good. You circle the plants. And then, sabi, you draw a square on the animals. You square it. You square. That is a bat. Oh, no. Square. The animals. Sige na nga. Oh, you square. What is this? What is this? Octopus. You square the square. The octopus. You square. Marian? Mukha mo ba siyang langaw? Ay, hindi, langaw ba yan? Mosquito ba? Hindi naman na. Hindi ba siya ladybug? Ano yan? Oh, hindi daw yan ladybug. Isa daw tong langaw. Mosquito. Mosquito lamok pala yun eh. Langaw ba yan? Ay daw yan. Hindi daw yan langaw. Oh, you square daw yan. Kasi that
May
is...
natakat yan eh.
Ano yan? What is that?
Natakat.
Nangangagat? Oh, nangangagat daw yan. Okay. B yata yan eh. B. That's a B. Oh, you know na ha? This is animals. That. This is a tree. And this is, what is this? A camel. Punch. The fruits and vegetables. Square ah. Oh, very good. Tabinging square na. Oh, sige na. Tingin nga dito. Look at mommy. Yee! Busy ang baby ko. Circle and square. This is kiwi. Oh, lahat ng fruits. Ay, very good na. Oh, again. Sabihin mo muna lahat ng fruits. What's this? Ha? Ito. Pomegranate. Pineapple. What's this? Kiwi. Game. Ang sabi dyan, draw a square around the vegetable. Lahat ng vegetable square. You square it like this, oh. Square, ah. Sige, tabingin na square. Oval. Rectangle. Oval. What is this? What is this? Heart and star. Okay, that is the shapes. Rectangle. Rectangle. Heart and star. Heart and star. Okay, very good for today.
Kids are always playing dolls. Their favorite is Barbie. They don't like the bears at all. Hardly have a party. Someone who can dance the part so they can play Prince Charming. That's the kind of toy they want. Then they forgot this thing builds a bear. Do you wanna make friends with Nana?
You paint an apple tree.
The sky clouds, the grass, and the berries.
Red now.
We can hang out in the moonlit forest. Nana has learned to control her power. A little wall, it's a day wasted if you don't cheer yourself up. Mama told me not to judge others. One for the little girl who lives down the lane. Why are you ignoring me? Do you hate Nana? I will share everything with you 'cause we are friends. Meow, Nana doesn't like those scary monsters. Let me protect you, I can control my power now. Elves are pretty, but Leonins are cute too. Apple pies are the best things ever. Yeah, don't bully me.
Red. Red. Yeah. Oh. Very good. Another one. Letter Z. Ayan. want, right? The curve. Practicing the semicircle. Oops! What happened? Use the eraser. That's eraser. Minamaster niya yung mga lines and semicircle lines. Diba? Diba? Kailangan perfect. Kaya binubura. Very good. Another one. Pag may nakita siyang parang mali, inaayos niya. First time niya trace ng mga lines and circles. Pero nakapag-letters na kasi kami, kaya madali na lang sa kanya yan. Very good, my darling. Daddy will gonna check it later. Marian, where is the children? Turo mo si children. Dito mo tingnan. Where is the children? Children, where is the teacher? Teacher. Where's the teacher? Very good. Where is the school? School. Where is the school? Point mo yung school. School? And where is the table? Table. Where is it? That is a chair. Where is the table? Table. Table. Very good. Where is the book? Where is the book? Where is the book? Book. Okay, where is the tree? Tree. Okay. Where is the man? Man. Man. Okay. Where is the woman? Woman. Woman. This is a woman. And this is, what is this? Girl.
Ako yan eh.
Oh, ikaw yan. Girl.
Si saan yung mama ko?
Where is the house? Where is the house? House. Very good. Where is the bed? A room. Nasaan yung room? Room. Kung nasaan yung bed. Turo mo. Bed. Very good. Where is
Matas ba to?
the classroom? Nasaan yung classroom daw?
Look.
Yes,
Babato
baby.
ko yan.
Tingnan mo, may laro talaga kami habang nag-i-study. And this is the woman. Woman. Where is the boy? Like Kuya Crossy, nasaan? Where is the boy? Very good. Where is the girl? Like Marian. Very good. Where is the room? Where is the bedroom? Oh, classroom. This is a classroom. Where
ba
the
yan?
Oh, tingnan mo, ulit-ulit daw ako. I'm very good na. Is the old woman? Nasaan dyan yung old woman? Old woman. Old woman. Ito, old woman. And this is a young.
Ako yan eh.
Where is the ugly? The ugly face. Ugly. Pangit daw. Ugly. Where is Marian? Yung pretty. Where is Marian? Yung pretty. Oh,
Ako to eh.
ikaw yan? Bakit ikaw yan? Pretty? Ikaw ay?
Ay, ako yan.
Dahil
Pretty.
ikaw yan. Sino naman to?
Calvin.
Ha?
Holiday.
Oh, mukha daw Halloween. Oh, masan si Kuya is tall. Kasi mataas siya kesa dito kay baby, short. Maliit lang siya. Tandaan mo, tall, mataas. Short, maliit. Oh, where is the big ball? Turo mo nga yung big ball.
Maliit.
Oh, maliit din yan. Young. And then this is the old.
Ako to.
Yes, ikaw yan. Dahil?
Dahil maganda.
Oh, small ball. Yan, small. This is big. Hey, miss. What is your name? Oh, are you the queen of Arendelle?
Yes.
And you are the sister of?
Hannah.
Oh, and you have the power to control the ice and snow. Oh,
Where?
it's so cool.
Snow ka?
Can you sing for us, Queen Elsa? Anymore, let it go, let it go. And it's so nice, Queen Elsa. Wow, so nice.
Hello, hello, can we meet up? Hello, hello, in my teacup. Nothing can be sweeter when we mix it all together. Hello, hello, can we meet up? Hello, hello, in my teacup. Nothing can be better than the two of us together now. Hello, 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 hello. Ooh, can't wait to see you smiling. But we head out and lay on the beach. Or we can chill inside and just meet on Animal Crossing. 'Cause you and me will be perfect. So much it's kinda making my chest hurt. So hey, when this is all over, all you have to do is say hello, hello. Can we meet up? Hello, hello. In my teacup, nothing can be sweeter when we mix it all together. Hello, hello. Can we meet up? Hello, hello.
Very good. Come on here. 1. Oh, get ka pa ng 2. Number 2. Get the number 2. Number ano yan? Oh, get. Put the number 6. 6? Is that the 6? And the number 8? 8. Okay. At the top. Oh, very good. Smile. Lecture for today is about the solar system. What do you call this one? Solar? Okay. Where is the giant sun?
You have.
Okay, I know that is a heart. Where is the giant sun, Marian? Can you point it? Where is the sun? This is the book about the sun. So here in the solar system, where is it? Sun. Okay, again, what is this?
Solar system.
Yeah. What is that muna?
Planet.
Okay. What do you call this all? All this one? Solar? What?
Solar system.
Oh, okay. Where is the sun? Where is the sun? Turo mo na yung sun.
Ito.
This is the sun, I know. Here, in the solar system.
Ang ako.
Solar?
Solar system.
Oh, where is the sun?
Ito.
Oh. All of that.
Solar system.
Oh, again. Name it. The planets. You name it.
Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Venus, Saturn.
Neptune.
Neptune,
What is the hottest planet? V.
Venus.
Okay, very good. Venus again. Okay, what is that? What you call of this?
Solar system.
Oh, where is the sun?
Ito.
Oh, what is this?
Solar system.
The nearest planet. What is this?
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Venus, Saturn.
Very good, Marian. Where is the hottest planet? V.
Venus.
Oh, yeah, that is the hottest planet, okay? And this is the nearest planet. Is about the planets. Puro wait ka lang, Marian. Loka mo talaga ako, ha? Thank you for the books from my Mama Daisy. Naitabi mo pa tong mga books para sa ating little baby. What is this? This is the Mercury. Ay. When we say Mercury, that is the nearest planet.
Look.
Oh, what? That is a satellite. Look, this is the Mercury and this is the Mercury here. That is the nearest planet on the sun.
Mommy, look.
Oh, this is look like satellite here, but that is a spacecraft.
Meron siya dito
Okay.
sa